Hi guys and welcome to Lavender and Mint. Today's set is based on the star sign Pisces. For today's base we're going to use Lavender Violet's White. Always remember to prep your nails and to make sure that you give a good base for your designs to work on. I decided to give these nails a second coat because the white wasn't quite as opaque as I wanted it to be, and to smooth out the uneven surface that the nails had a little bit of. I should have basically buffered a little bit more and made it a bit more smoother, but as these are just for design base, it's fine. Once that has gone in and cured, we're going to go in with some blooming gel on all of the nails. I'm going to go in now with some beetles polish in blue, and I'm going to make little dots on the first nail and the fourth nail to create a kind of water effect. It's a really nice effect once it starts spreading out, and it's definitely something this was the first time I was trying it, and it's definitely something I'm going to look at doing more in the summer as well, to make some kind of like summer swimming pool nails. I think that would be really cool. For the remaining nails, I'm going to go in with some spacey colours, a dark purple and a dark blue, to give a sort of spacey constellation look for them. Once I finished that, I decided to get a little brush and try and merge a few of the colours on the constellation nails a bit. You can also see how nice the blue on the water nails has kind of spread out and expanded. It looks really watery now, which I like. Once that was cured, I decided to go in with another round of the blooming gel and the blue dots on the water nails to create a little bit more dimension. I'm now going on the cosmic nails with some pink gelac, cat eye polish and sacred silver to create a bit more of a spacey look. And then I went in with the magnet. I'm now going in again with some lavender violet white to put on my little palette so I can create a good base for the nail art I'm going to do next. So the symbol of Pisces is fishes. 2 fishes in particular, almost kind of in an oval shape. So I decided with the water theme that I had on those nails that I wanted to go in with koi carp, because koi carp are particularly beautiful. And I thought that they'd look really nice on the thumbnail. So I'm making an outline that I will fill in later with the white to create the shape and give myself a guide for the rest of the art that I'm going to put on it. Sorry, it's a little out of shot there. I've missed some of the blue on the edge here, so I'm going to go back in and fix that to give it a more complete appearance. Once I've finished the bit I'm doing. I'm drawing the other fish now. I'm putting them head, tail, because that's kind of how they're shown in the images that were shown for Pisces. So I'm going in now on the second nail to draw the constellation shape with my brush. You can use a dotter tool here, but I just decided to carry on with the brush because that was what I was already using. If you want more concise little dots for the stars, then a dotter tool is probably more ideal in this situation. Here I was trying to decide which nails I wanted the little Pisces symbol to go on. I was looking at them individually and I was like, should I do the middle one? But I quite liked the swirl that the blooming gel had created with the darker colours on the middle one. And I thought, well, it's a bit of a shame to cover that up with them. So I decided on the pinky at the end. The Pisces symbol is quite easy to replicate because it's just a kind of stylized H. Like if you curve the lines a bit and make the line in the middle a bit longer, you're kind of there already, so it was good. One of March's flowers of the month is the water lily, so I kind of thought that was perfect to go on my other water nails. So I decided to recreate that on the ring finger. I'm going in with some Beetles purpley pink, pinky purple, lilac colour, I guess, to create a bit more dimension to the petals. And a Beetles dark green to create the pad that the lily is on. dribbled everywhere when I put it on the palette here. It's quite the Macart Blooming Gel is quite a thick consistency. So when you take a loaded brush out of the bottle, it's very gloopy, I guess. So yeah, we had a bit of a dribble, shall we say. So I'm covering the fishes in Blooming Gel now, because the colours that I want to put on them, I want them to spread like the water did, to create that very koi carp look, I guess it's almost like a watercolour look I'm wanting for them. I'm now going in with another Beetles polish in orange and my little Cosilio one in black. I'm just adding little patches of orange and black onto the fish so that they spread out with the Blooming Gel and create a watercolour koi effect. And now to fix what I missed. And now I'm going to put some reflective glitter over the white parts of the Cosmic Nails. The brand I'm using is White Angel by Gelex, I believe. It is another brand that I found here in the Netherlands. I've not seen overseas, however I do not know if they do sell it overseas or not. I believe the brand originated in Arnhem, so yeah. But I think any reflective glitter will do. I'm gonna now outline the koi with a black gel. It's the same black gel I've been using throughout the video, but I'm brushing a little bit it off so it has a minimal amount on, so it draws a kind of almost like a pencil line around the image that I'm trying to outline. And now that's finished, it's time to top coat. The top coat I'm using today is by High Gel, I believe, or High Hybrid Gel. It's a hammer-free formula and it's meant to be no wipe. However, I have found that my nails that I've top coated with it are still sticky afterwards, so I'm still having to wipe them. So I don't know how much the no wipe is true. It said on the website that I bought it from, but yeah, it's not proving to be so, so perhaps they were mistaken. And with that, they're done. Thanks for watching and see you next time.